What is going on, y'all? That time again. We're gonna fill out some QSO cards while we answer your questions on Tank Radio. Future Frank here. The audio on this recording was a little hot and weird. I tried to fix it, but it was a new mic and it's going back. So sorry. Moving on. Before we get started, I just wanted to point out the new QST magazines here, and it's talking about FTA and the Yazoo and cool portable things. Ooh. And the ARRL does help us a lot with amateur radio, and Steve is reaching out into his teacher program. So go ahead and head over to the ARRL, join them. They do great things for us. There's also a link in the description to help to support the teacher programs, because we really do need that. And now let's go ahead and look at the first QSO card, and this time I have a sword. I love it, I love it, I love it. And, ooh, look at that. Pretty, I do love that. This is a Christmas card. Nice, I do like it. Richard and April, thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. And you know where my Christmas cards go. Christmas card on the Christmas arrow tree. Thank you, thank you. Y'all are awesome. And this next one, we are gonna be opening. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, boy. Bonnie, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. This contact was back in the 5th month. January, February, March, April, May. Woo! I'm getting caught up though. I'm getting better at this. While I'm filling this out for Bonnie, I'm going to go ahead and answer the first question we have here. It's from Hex. He's talking about the video I did about planting my ground system. My new video's out right now where I go ahead and start installing the ground system. He was one of the guys who pointed out the 8-foot sections where I was planning to drill in the grounding rods around my house was a little bit too close. The nester points out that they're supposed to be 16 feet, and we went back and forth on this several times. And we came to a decision that yes, it is right. It was supposed to be 16 feet and at least double, and that's 16 feet because I have 8-foot ground rods. It recommends doubling the length of the ground rods for the separation. Anything closer, then their spheres start interacting with each other, and it doesn't really do the job that you want it to do. That was a very good point. Thank you very much, and I do appreciate you pointing that out to me. Also saved me money. There we go. Card number 1 done. Yeah. Put it on the done stack. And the next card we're getting is from Bennett, N4BDW. Thank you very much. Go ahead and get it open. Nice. Look at that. Very nice. Bennett writes to me saying, hey Frank, thanks for letting me help you activate Lake Ray Roberts State Park and 7.3 Tank Radio. Yeah. Love it. I love it. I love it. This was back in June again. Yeah, we're catching up. We're catching up. The next comment I'm pulling up is from YouTube. He says, another shopping channel for ham radio. God help us. This comment was on one of my latest Amazon videos where I do a deep dive through Amazon and see what y'all been buying through my Amazon affiliate link. And I do these videos because it does help support the channel. Using y'all affiliate links, it does help generate a little bit of revenue, and I really need every support from y'all. I am kind of looking to pivot from those Amazon videos. If you have any idea what I can do to replace those minor videos, so go ahead and comment below, and or just throw it in the chat if this is during the premiere. Thank y'all, and y'all are awesome. Yay! This next one's from Mark, all the way from Ohio. Ooh, that's cool. You gave me a little sticker. Oh, that's for the self-address. Oh, thank you. This is amazing. Almost just as good as the self-addressed envelope. So I can put this on there because if you haven't told, my handwriting is not that great. And this just goes on the envelope. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm going to use it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And your call sign is KJAMRH. Kind of a little hard to see in the trees there. But thank you. You are awesome. And look at that. Even here is on the labels and stickers. I appreciate that wholeheartedly. Oh, ooh, look at this. Just realized this is for 2 activations. He got me back in January, February, March, April, and then again in June at my home park, Kilo 2996, and again later at Lake Ray Roberts, 3051. Nice. I love it. I love it. Let's see if I can do that on the card as I'm filling it out. Here we go for the last question. Here is from Mark Ruby on YouTube. This comment is on my planning video again. Why would you do all that when you could have just drilled holes into the casting and multi-outlet box and put lugs into it for your ground? Wire that to simply your wall outlet. All ground and no drilling. This is why. This ground system is going to be at the base of my antennas. I know if lightning happens, it does whatever it wants, and you're not going to win that. However, I live in Texas. Lightning close strikes happen a lot, and then you also get static electricity build up on those wires. So from the antenna coming down from my house, I am going to have it going straight to this grounding system, and I do not want this grounding system I installed outside, or I installed outside, because I did it already, coming through the house. So if you do it that way, then it's going to be coming into the house. So if you get a close lightning strike, or God forbid a lightning strike, you don't want all that electricity and sparks coming into the house. That's why we have lightning arresters. That's why we have grounding plates that drive everything to the grounding rod system. So all that's buried underground now and connected to the house ground, so it's all in the same ground potential, and that's what you want. And you will achieve that by doing what Mark said. However, it's not really, I think, the best idea to do that. That's my opinion, and do what makes sense for you, man. I'm doing it this my way, and it's my channel. Rock on Robert, thank you for your question. Rock on Robert for the QSO card. I really do appreciate it, and you don't understand how nice this is. Oh yes, I love it. I love it. Thank you to everyone who's watching. If you want me to read your question or comment, leave a comment in the chat video, or I'm going to do this like Mike. Go ahead and send me an email at tankhamradio@gmail.com. That's tankhamradio@gmail.com. Because Tank Radio wouldn't let me get it, because I think I already registered at one point, but then I didn't finish the crown creation, and Google is a nightmare and all that other stuff. But I'm looking for the new comments, because January is a new month and I need 3 or 4 new comments. So comment on my videos. I love y'all. Have a great Thanksgiving. I hope everything you wanted and got is received, and Godspeed, Christmas Izzo, because that was hilarious last night. 7-3, y'all. Thanks for watching. Thank you for all my supporters. And as always, go forth and conquer.